Welcome to GiSCALE, the most simple to use yet comprehensive and user-friendly production control software available in the UK. Have you ever wished you could control all the scales in your factory from one PC? With GiSCALE, you can not only control target weights and tolerances, but you can get a live feedback of what is actually being packed. Watch this short video to learn more. Some of the key features of the GiSCALE software are the ability to connect multiple indicators, printing of labels, tickets and reports, the running of history queries, exporting of reports in various formats. We can weigh in a semi-unattended mode using the configurable transmission mode, a full graphic analysis of weighing in real time, and live monitoring and management of production lines. Creating lines within the GiSCALE software could not be easier. You simply select the scales and allocate them to a line. This also makes it very simple to reallocate scales to different lines. The number of scales and lines you can achieve is unrestricted. So you simply select the scale you want from the available scale list and add it into your selected line. Using the PC software, we're able to send product data, target weight, and tolerances down to the scales for the operators to then start packing. Receiving in from the scales, we can receive all the weighing readings live as they happen. We can report on all statistics of products or operators or time-based, and we can also view a live line graph for all active lines. This next section of the video shows you the various screens that we use within the GiSCALE software to set up and send information down to the scales. The menu you can see on the screen now is the main menu of the GiSCALE software. We will take you now through step by step the various elements of this software main screen. The weighing page shows the live weights of any selected scale. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see a list of scales. Here we have 2 connected. So you can select a scale by clicking on it, and you will see in the top large area a live weight reading. From this page, you are also able to zero and tear and power down the scale. The watch desk quite simply shows all activity on all currently live scales. The Manage area shows all of the historic weighings of a selected scale or line and can be filtered by any of the column headers. The Products page is where all products can be created or edited, setting up their target weights and various tolerances. The Packaging screen is where you set up your various types of packaging and their associated tear weights. Again, this is an unlimited number. An unlimited number of operators can be set up within the software. This is an optional feature. The Statistics page is a live line or bar graph which shows all activity on all scales on all lines. This is ideal if it's on a large screen in the production office, as it alerts management to all activity on all scales. Setting up lines we've already covered, but this is the page that the activity is completed in. You simply select the line you want to configure and the scale options will appear before you. This is the page where you set up your scales initially. Once your scales are set up, you can then allocate them to lines. The number of scales is completely unlimited. This page shows the further in-depth setup of each individual scale. You can add an unlimited number of PC licenses onto the software for management of scales or simply to view the activity. Each additional PC license is chargeable, so please do call us for a quote on this. So now you've seen our video and you've seen a glimpse of what this software could do for you. If you would like a demonstration, please do call us on 01684 561 002. Thank you for watching.